Brother. Brother. Go LJ, go LJ, go. Go LJ, go LJ, go. That's my LJ. That's my LJ. Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. You guys, this is my first weekly vlog, and when I say weekly vlog, I don't mean like I'm gonna do this every week, but this is my first vlog where it's capturing my whole entire week. So I'm excited, and this is a pretty fun week. I feel like all of our weeks are, every week is pretty like exciting. It's pretty much something, but this week in particular, we're preparing for LJ's birthday party. We got his birthday party this Saturday, and then Sunday is Father's Day, so it'll be Lavon's second Father's Day. So I'm excited about that. It's just a lot that we got to do this week, so I'm gonna be taking you guys along for the ride. So then LJ's actual birthday is next Wednesday. It's on the 24th, and I'm really hoping that Lavon can be home for that day. He's a truck driver now, and I told him, I said, I really just hope that, because sometimes like they'll allow him to like be home like one day during the week, like if a load isn't ready. So I'm just hoping that that's the case for next Wednesday. I hope he can be in town, because I know me, like, it's two reasons why. So I feel like I'm gonna be emotional. I know well, hopefully not. I don't want to be sad, but I feel like I might be a little bit emotional on that day, because next Wednesday will make 2 years that I've been a mom, that we've been parents, and we became a parent at the same exact moment. So I know he'll be able to share that feeling with me. He'll be able to, he's not a woman. He's not a mom, he's a dad, but I just feel like he'll be able to be there with me, and he'll be able to comfort me, if I'm feeling a little bit bittersweet, because our firstborn is growing up. That's a real thing that parents deal with. So I really hope that Lavon is out here for his actual birthday. And then of course we want to do something, even though he's having a party Saturday, we want to do something slight on his day of, just to be able to celebrate on his actual birthday. I don't know what the weather is going to be next Wednesday, but I know last year we took him swimming for the first time. That's the only time Lavon has ever went swimming with him. And then his second time swimming was when we went to the water park resort, which you guys saw 2 videos ago. Hopefully the weather is nice next Wednesday, and we can like go to breakfast, me, Lavon, LJ, and Lennox, and then we can go swimming, take him swimming. I think that'll be like a cute tradition, like take him to the pool every year on his birthday. And then we have KGG, Kingdom Growth Groups, at our church. So it's pretty much like a how in the world they do like the AA meetings. It's pretty much like that, but it's a Jesus way of doing it. It's pretty much teaching you how to get healed and stay healed according to what God said in his word. It's like the biblical way of doing AA. It's really good. It's called Celebrate Recovery. My group is so nice. So yeah, we'll probably we're gonna end his birthday with that. Yeah, I'm on my way back to the house now. Probably gonna go to my grandma's house today. I'm probably gonna go back to the house and make breakfast, and then we'll see where the day takes us. I am back at the house. There's a few things I wanted to mention to y'all. First things first, my Camille Ray S6 pump, it went out, and this is my replacement. So this is not the very first pump I got. I got this pump after I had Lennox, but this is not the same one. This is a replacement because the first one went out. This is the second one, and it went out again. Like when I plug in the adapter that goes into the side, I plug it into the outlet, it does not come on when I press the power button. So I'm not going to even call them and tell them to give me another replacement. I told my friend, my fellow pumping buddy, my fellow breastfeeding mom, I said, I'm adding Camille Ray to the list of do not buy again. I have the Zomi Z2. I've had this pump since I was breastfeeding for LJ, and I never had no issues with this. This has never went out on me. I haven't had to get any replacement, like as far as the motor. Of course you want to replace the parts because they can get icky over time. But I've never had to replace this motor, so it's just like, why do I have to do it with the others? LJ wanted to say hi. You say hi? I'm talking about you and your brother milk. Well, the thing that pulls y'all milk. You want to be in it?
Yeah.
Okay, come sit on my lap. So yeah, I never had those issues with the Zomi. So it's like, why do I have to have those issues with the Camille Ray brand? So what I've decided to do is to get the Baby Buddha 2.0. I've heard that's the best pump out right now. So I wanna get that one and see how it works. I'm trying to build my supply back up. I want to rebuild my freezer stash. Linux will be 7 months on the 18th, which is Thursday. So yeah, I have a while to go as far as, you know, giving him milk. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know what I think about the Baby Buddha 2.0 once I get it. I want y'all to hear how he said his name, how he pronounced it. It's so cute. What's your name?
SJ.
He say SJ. I think it's so cute. How old are you?
2.
Wait, come back. Let them see you. Wait. How old are you?
2.
And he know when he answers certain questions, he know it give me hype. The word yesterday was so good. My pastor preached about distractions. Don't let your distractions pull you away from what God is trying to do in your life. And we used Samson's story as an example, and it was so good. Okay, y'all, I had to come in my room. LJ is in the living room watching his show. In his high chair. Lennox is asleep. So yeah, but like I was saying, church was really good yesterday. The word was so good. My pastor, she preached about distractions, not letting your distraction keep you away from what it is God is trying to do with you. Don't let it keep you away from what God has planned for you and your destiny. And when she was preaching, she preached out of Judges, and we used Samson as an example. You remember Samson, he had power in his hair. Delilah kept asking, like, what is it that keeps you strong? Like what will take your strength away? And he was telling her different things and was tried on him. And then they saw that it wasn't working, and he finally ended up cracking under pressure, not even realizing that she was trying to get him the whole time, not even realizing like she's trying to find out what really, you know, keeps me strong so she can use that to her advantage and take that away from me. He was just so distracted that he ended up getting God. He ended up telling Delilah, my hair is what keeps me strong. And they ended up shaving his head. And in that moment, he said, I'm gonna break free, and I'm gonna pretty much get them. He said, I'm gonna break free. And in that moment, it was too late. The power of God had already left him. I just thought it was so profound. Like, it was just amazing when my pastor preached it, because that's exactly how it is. A lot of times people will get distracted by the enemy. He is the master of disguise. He will make a thing look good, and he'll take your focus off God and have your focus on this thing that's distracting you, and you don't even realize it was sent by the enemy to destroy you. So we just have to be awake. We have to keep our eyes fixed on the power source, because we won't even realize we strayed away from the power source. In that moment, he thought he could fight against the Philistines, but it was too late. He didn't even know that the power of God had already left him. So we just need to be awake. I thought that was so good when my pastor said it. I know those of you who are watching my video, all of y'all might not be from Chicago, but those of you who are watching who are from Chicago, y'all know that last week, well, by the time y'all seeing this, it'll probably be like 2 weeks later, but y'all know that the week of the 12th, y'all know it was like back-to-back storms every single day. Like, we was getting warnings on our phone about extreme threatening thunderstorm warnings. I thought it was so interesting that those storms happened right after my pastor preached about the people, they worship Baal. He was supposed to be like the god, false god of the rain or whatever. So like they would be praying to him to make sure that they didn't have like droughts and stuff like that. So God showed them. He showed them, I'm the God. I'm the I am that I am. And it was not able to rain. Like, they was praying to Baal and they did not get no rain. And my pastor mentioned it yesterday. She preached about that before the storms happened. And then she was preaching yesterday. She said after the storm happened, she said she was driving through the city and she saw these big old giant trees who had been up for centuries. They had been uprooted and she could just see God all in it. And I was thinking the same thing. Like, I'm going to show y'all who I am. I'm going to uproot these trees that have been around for centuries. God has just been showing us who he is on the earth, just like the times in the Bible. So I just encourage you guys to just stay awake. Stay alert and stay focused on the master and what it is he is saying. Where your tray? Where your tray, LJ? Where your tray? Where your tray, LJ? Any other moms who making up songs randomly? Lennox Adriel. Lennox Adriel. Do y'all remember in the last video how I told y'all I hurt my cheekbone when I was trying to get like across from LJ when he was taking pictures to get him to smile? Well, it still hurts. Like when I smile, when I do certain facial expressions, it really hurts. Like it's sore. I don't think it's broke or anything like that, but it's just really sore. Y'all don't mind me. I had to wrap my hair up. I'm at home. I would not go outside in public like this, but I'm just getting ready to do LJ's preschool learning with him. He's only one, but I do like preschool learning with him on YouTube. We do different activities throughout the day, and it's really helping. It's really helping a lot. All right, you guys, so I'm currently at my mom's house, and me and her together are gonna try to figure out how to put this big number 2. It's like a light up number 2 that we're gonna have at LJ's party. Everything pretty much came in a box, like all in different pieces. So, you know, she's been a mom for almost 30 years. I know she's used to doing arts and crafts. She helped me and my brother with the school science projects, all of that. So yes, I came to OG to help me see how it's done. So stay tuned. We're gonna show you how it comes together. I'm sorry, y'all. It was getting hot. So the bonnet came back on. And we besties, right? So, you know, we in the house. I'm in the house, you in the house. So it's good, right? Okay. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. When I ordered this number 2, I thought it was gonna come in a giant box already put together. I didn't know I was gonna have to assemble this stuff on my own. Well, I'm not doing it on my own, but I'm saying I didn't know I was gonna have to assemble it at all. I thought it was gonna already be together. Hey you guys, so it is the next day. As you guys can see, I finally got that number 2 together. Hi! LJ, we picking up my grandma. He's saying hi to her. We finally got that number 2 together. It was pretty easy once we knew what we was doing. So I'm about to get my grandma. She's coming to the car right now, and we're gonna head to the store so we can pick up some snacks for our KGG group tomorrow, which I was telling you guys about yesterday. Hi! That's Gigi. LJ, that's Gigi. Say Gigi. Gigi. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! 11. 12. 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Good job, baby boy. Hey you guys, so I am back at home and I'm just getting ready to look at Christian girl content. I'm probably gonna turn on my girl Maya Graves and watch her video while I do a little bit of laundry. What's up you guys? It's a new day. Right now me and LJ are finally getting ready to do him and Lennox's craft that they're gonna be making Lavon for Father's Day. Let me show you guys the craft. LJ, we're gonna make a Father's Day craft for Daddy. You excited?
Yes.
This is what you and Lennox gonna give him. So it says best dad ever. It says hands down love LJ and Lennox. I'm gonna have LJ put his handprints on there first with the blue because that's a little bit darker. And then once it dry and when Lennox wake up, he sleep right now. When he wake up, I'm gonna have Lennox put his handprints on top of LJ since they smaller. It's gonna come out nice. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Ooh, let's be careful. Let's be extra careful. Ooh, what color is that? Say blue.
Blue.
You know we don't want it to be too thick because then it'll have a hard time drying. Okay, I think that should be good. Open your hand. All right, now pick them up. Y'all hear my brother singing in the background. So we almost done. Here's what I'm gonna have you do. No, LJ, no, no, no. It's okay. It's to be expected. 1, 2, 3. Okay, lift it up. Lift it up. It didn't come out good. Take 2, because it did not come out right the first time. Okay, let me see your hand. Open your hand. We're gonna put it right here. All right, and then we're gonna do one more hand. All right, and then we're gonna put it right there. So Lennox is awake, so we're gonna try to add his handprints onto the artwork for Lavon now. Like I said, we did blue on the bottom since that's gonna appear more boldly. And because green is the lighter color, we're gonna put that on the top. So we'll have Lennox's handprints be green. Okay, Lennox, open your hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is Donatello hand? I think so. Come on, Lennox. All right. Y'all, that was so much harder than I thought. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be that messy. I don't know. I guess I didn't know what to expect, but that was hard. I had to bring my mommy in to help me get the handprints done for Lennox because he was trying to put his hands in his mouth, all kind of stuff. So, but we got it done. Can you say mama, mama, mama? Can you say da, 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 da? Can you say mama, mama, mama? Can you say da, 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 da? This is a few days later. Right now we are at a pool party for one of my dear friends. Her daughter's having a birthday party. So this is LJ's first time having a pool party. LJ, you gonna climb it?
Ready, climb. Oh, there you go.
Come on, Duty. LJ was scared of this little unicorn, so now he's sitting on my lap. You sitting on your mommy lap, LJ? Because you didn't like the unicorn. So you staying over here with me. It's okay. Say it's okay. Be cold. I know he probably sleepy too. You haven't had a nap, have you? No. Say no. Got it. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Whoa, big boy. You gonna go down the baby slide. LJ, you gotta go down the big one. You gotta go down the big slide. Come on, come back in. Y'all, he got me in here. It's still a little bit wet. LJ got me in here in this bounce house. Go ahead, climb up there. Here. You gotta climb up. Guys, I'm back at home. I'm getting ready to put these candy bags together. And I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. This is the night before the party. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.